And we have a Lotus day today at Fivezero Supercar Barn, Bradford-on-Avon. Beautiful selection, and what a lovely selection of colours. Absolutely awesome. Just look at this one. Colour. Wow. Very busy in the barn as well. What a great day for. And we have a lovely classic turning up in a LAN. By the looks of it. Oh yeah. Elan +2. Hiya Dave. Oh, and we have more in the second barn. Oh dear, look at this. Oh, this is spectacular. Absolutely glorious. Oh look, and there's a Citroen 2CV van in a carcoon. How cool is that? Wicked. And in a third barn. Well, this is new. Oh wow, look at that Aston. Awesome. And some customer cars parked up here. Beautiful day. And there's Dave's beautiful Ferrari in the most gorgeous colour. An outstanding restoration of this Lotus Elan 2+2.